about these sweet potatoes. You have lots of options, but when I'm cooking with sweet potatoes, I prefer to bake them. So you get the best flavor that way. You can make a lot at once and you have leftovers. So what you'll do is take your raw sweet potatoes, poke a couple holes in them with a fork or a knife, put them on your cookie sheet, bake them at 400 degrees for about an hour. And they're gonna be all caramelized, sticky, and your cookie sheet is going to be an utter mess. When you're finished, they're gonna be delicious. The easiest way to get mashed sweet potatoes is when they're completely cool, take your clean hands and peel them. And you'll see the peel comes right off. Super easy. And then just go ahead and mash them with a fork. For a cup of mashed sweet potato, you'll need about 1 medium sweet potato. And you're gonna go ahead and pour all of your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. Scrape that bowl really well. It's easier to clean later. I like to use sort of a folding motion when I'm mixing things like pancakes or quick breads or anything that you don't want to mix too much. If you mix them too much, it won't be as fluffy. They'll still be delicious though, so don't sweat it. Stop mixing. When all of the dry stuff is mixed in, a few lumps are okay. Next, we're gonna cook them. I've got a non-stick pan on medium heat, and it's heated up and ready to go. So I'm going to take a good sized spoonful of my sweet potato pancake batter, plop it right in there, spread it around a little bit. Looks like I can get away with fitting 2 in there. You can cook one at a time. I'm gonna take 2 minutes approximately to cook per side. And we're gonna look for the tops to get dry looking and a little bubble. All right, you'll see some bubbles starting to form on the top side of your pancake. Slide your spatula under, give it a flip, nice brown color. It'll just be 30 seconds to a minute on the second side.